The US and China resume high-level trade talks in London today, focusing on rare earths and tech export controls. After a call with Xi Jinping, Trump proposed minister-level talks to start with enforcing the deal. China's exports to the US are down 30%, while exports to Europe and Southeast Asia rose 11%, showing a shift in trade flows. Bloomberg reports the talks will also address Chinese student visas. Canada plans to raise its defense budget to 2% of GDP, meeting NATO's target. Trump is urging allies to realign trade to support domestic manufacturing. US jobs data wasn't as weak as feared, dialing back Fed rate cut bets and keeping the dollar under pressure. RBC says if tightening lingers, dollar weakness will be delayed, predicting euro at 1.24 and yen at 120 by 2026. The S&P 500 officially entered a bull market, up 20% on the tech rally. Citi raised its target to 6,300, saying now is the time to focus on fundamentals. Tesla fell 3% as concerns grow over inflated robotaxi targets and rising tensions with Trump. Baird downgraded the stock to neutral, citing overhyped projections. Drone stocks like Joby, Archer, and Vertical soared over 10% after Trump pushed for looser regulations. There's rising hope for use in medical delivery, surveillance, and Amazon logistics. Robinhood and AppLovin both dropped 5% after failing to join the S&P 500 index. Meta plans to invest up to $10 billion in Scale AI, a data labeling firm working with the Pentagon. This strengthens Meta's AI push in defense and industry. Qualcomm will buy UK chipmaker Alphawave for $2.4 billion, expanding into data centers. The deal comes with a 96% premium on Alphawave's stock price. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang praised the UK as a Goldilocks zone for AI at London Tech Week. PM Starmer followed with a £1 billion AI talent and training initiative. Anti-immigration protests in LA entered their third day, turning violent. Trump deployed the National Guard, while Governor Newsom prepares a constitutional challenge. Trump warned that if Musk supports the Democrats, there will be consequences, and cut off contact. Tesla shares plunged after the statement, rattling investors. Watch for US CPI on Wednesday and PPI plus jobless claims Thursday. Also on tap, 10-year and 30-year Treasury auctions. Expect bond market volatility.